So I know you're familiar with Rolling J's food truck. Are you familiar with their new location, their permanent location? In Chattanooga, right off of Riverfront Parkway. We've got Chef Jacob joining us today. Oh, he can make a mean Cuban. And of course, Ruben. We're gonna talk about the food here in just a few minutes. But I love that you've transitioned from, well, gosh, you guys were all over the place, but now you're in one place.
Yeah, we're still all over the place. We are, running the truck 3 to 5 days a week on average. But we needed a place where everybody was chasing us around. We needed somewhere they could find us.
Yeah, and it's nice and cool, and I love the decor. Now, tell me about what's on the wall. Are these local artists?
These are local artists. Currently, we've got a kid that's 19 years old going to Chat State that's put up this work behind me. And then we've got another gentleman. He's been doing this for a lot longer. He's got some mixed media over here on the other side. And we just want people to have a chance to, show off their wares. It gives us something good to look at the sandwich shop. It's a talking point.
Yeah, and you couldn't do that in the Rolling J's food truck.
I wouldn't recommend them putting their original artwork in my food truck just because of conditions.
Right, of course, we understand that. Okay, so what did you make for us today, Jacob?
We've got one of our famous, well-known Reubens. It's on a German Bluffview rye Batard, and it's the traditional Reuben with Thousand Island kraut. This is our corned beef brisket. We slice it thin in house. It's roasted overnight in its own juices, and it's a real popular sandwich. Even if you don't like a Reuben, you'll eat this.
A customer not too long ago told us she never had a Reuben, and she was kind of hesitant, but she ate the whole thing.
It's a unique sandwich.
Wow. Now tell me about this sandwich.
This is our roasted turkey. It's also a high quality product, all natural turkey breast. Sourdough Batard from Bluffview. We use all local bread, fresh ingredients.
That's so delicious. It's so delicious.
And that's usually what they do. They get 2 different sandwiches and we'll watch them swap.
Yeah.
Because that's the best way to get 2 sandwiches and not everybody look at you.
Yeah, exactly. You can have half of my Reuben, you can have half of my...
Yeah, until it becomes a fight of this is
right.
this is it.
All right, real quickly. So, does the menu change daily?
We're working on a standard menu, having the turkey, ham, beef sandwiches, but we do have specials. We always want to do something different. We're adding soups in the colder months. We're well known for our gumbo, potato soups, things like that. Just kind of go seasonal and have the right foods with the season. Okay,
so I'm looking out and I see Riverfront Parkway. And then if the building across from here, if we moved it over a little bit, we'd probably see the Tennessee River. Tell us exactly where we're located.
We're in the new Cameron Harbor District. It's in the Riverwalk area. It's part of the Riverwalk. This area over here is all newly developed. It's come up a lot in just the last year and a half. I've seen it.
Okay, so Chef Jacob, you've got your store here. You guys have been open for just a few weeks, and you mentioned the Rolling J's food truck. It's going to still be all over the place.
Still rolling over the town. You see the big red food truck, going to office sites, different locations, special events on the weekends, and always the Chattanooga market on Sunday.
All righty. We appreciate you having us out today.
Yeah.
I want to work on these sandwiches.
Yeah, knock them dead.
Thank you. He knows how to build an incredible sandwich. Rolling J's.